Let's talk about Appian Process Intelligence. This capability is delivered through Process HQ, a self-service workspace that empowers business users to gain strategic insights about the processes and data behind their Appian apps. Powered by the latest technologies in data fabric, process mining, machine learning, and generative AI, Process HQ offers two primary avenues for analysis: process insights and data fabric insights. Process Insights provides users with AI-powered analysis of their real-world business processes, guiding them to uncover deeper insights. Data Fabric Insights empowers users to explore datasets within their business area, build custom reports, and combine these reports into unified dashboards. Users can also get assistance from Appian AI copilots on the next steps in their analysis. Once business users identify new insights in Process HQ, they can share their findings across the organization to foster collaboration, optimize processes, and make informed, data-driven decisions. Let's explore these two capabilities. Business users can access Process HQ from the navigation menu. This workspace has several pages. The home page showcases recently opened processes and datasets and lists all existing reports and dashboards. From this page, a business user can start exploring data. Alternatively, users can click the icons on the left to open the Process Insights or Data Catalog pages. Organizations need efficient processes to achieve their business goals. Although business owners often think they understand their processes' performance, the process data can reveal a different story. In reality, processes frequently encounter bottlenecks, skip steps, and repetitions. While these issues impact the business, identifying their root causes and determining improvements can be challenging. That's where Process Insights comes in. This powerful AI-driven tool analyzes real-life process performance. Business users can pinpoint and resolve issues, design custom KPIs to monitor process health, invite collaborators, and once they have better insight into their process, take steps to optimize their processes. Let's see how Appian's Process Insights helped Paula, a process owner at Acme Financial Services, improve financial onboarding for new clients. Recently, Paula heard about onboarding delays from clients, so she launched an investigation into her company's financial onboarding process. Because Acme Financial's onboarding data is stored in two synced record types, onboarding cases and onboarding events, Paula and her team quickly got to the root cause of delays and without any assistance from their team of developers. Paula set up the onboarding process for analysis in minutes. She selected the base record type for the onboarding process, then selected the related event history record type, refined the data, for example, deselected the fields that her analysts don't need, and scheduled updates to keep the data fresh. She then provided analyst access to her team. Now, Paula and her team can launch their own investigations into this process, saving and sharing insights as they go. Paula begins her analysis by opening the newly created onboarding process. Here, she can see the AI-powered evaluation of her process featuring key KPIs, a process diagram, and impactful attributes. This dashboard provides a useful start for any investigation. For example, here, Paula can see the total count of all onboarding cases and average processing time. She can zoom in and out on a process diagram to investigate uncommon or unexpected flows. Knowing that the onboarding steps for corporate and individual customers differ, Paula creates a view to focus on the onboarding of individual and joint accounts. With this updated view, all metrics refresh to reflect the new data segment. Once Paula starts an investigation, she immediately discovers attributes causing delays. For instance, onboarding in Spain takes the longest. The potential savings column estimates annual time savings if Acme Financial optimizes onboarding there. Paula considers the business context. If local regulations cause delays, changes may be limited. If not, this insight is valuable for team discussion. For now, Paula saves this finding as an insight, and her colleagues will be able to comment and collaborate on it. With Appian's process insights, Paula and her team turned client feedback into an actionable insight. They identified ways to improve operations in their Spanish office by addressing issues such as IT problems and compliance standards. They also decided to implement additional automation for compliance steps. As they prepare to implement these changes, they will monitor case durations to ensure their improvements are effective. Additionally, Paula can share the executive dashboard with key decision makers, providing them with crucial data on costs, errors, and automation to expedite the transition from insight to action. Data Fabric Insights enables business users to explore and act on their data without developer assistance. For example, Claudia is an onboarding specialist at Acme Financial Services. She's received several questions lately about onboarding metrics. For instance, how many onboarding cases are under review? For those cases, what's the breakdown by account type? In Process HQ, she'll create a dashboard with custom reports for her team to monitor trends in their onboarding workstream. From the data catalog page, Claudia can browse the datasets she has access to and select one to build a report from. She'll accelerate report building by using the guided experience. She starts designing a chart that breaks down onboarding cases by status. In the report builder on the left, she can select more fields to include. Notice that along with onboarding data, there's also related customer and account type data. In the setup pane, Claudia customizes her report with options like design and color scheme. She adjusts sorting, updates the names and descriptions, and saves changes. Later, Claudia will share this report with her team. Claudia can partner with Appian AI Copilot to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in this data. It looks like she should keep an eye on deferred or rejected cases. She'll be sure to create a report about these cases for the dashboard. After Claudia creates and shares a few more reports, she's ready to combine them into a dashboard. In the dashboard builder, she drags and drops reports into a layout. She can also add reports that her colleagues have shared with her. Claudia will share this dashboard with her team so they can track onboarding metrics and even take action on certain cases. These reports will update in real time so the team can monitor trends closely and make informed, data-driven decisions. Let's recap. Process HQ is a self-service workspace designed for business users to explore their data fabric and processes. Process HQ has two main capabilities. The first is Process Insights, which provides AI-powered analysis of business processes and guides business users to data-driven insights and encourages continuous process optimization. The second is Data Fabric Insights. It empowers users to answer questions with data in hand. Users can explore their data sets and build reports and dashboards without developer assistance. A business user can use Appian AI Copilot to get ideas on next steps and areas for improvement.